Sturgis 2024, day who knows by now.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, what a great day. We're going to start off today with a meet and greet at Legend over at Black Hills Harley Davidson. But before we do that, we're here in front of, or in back of the community center.
Let me turn this around real quick.
Yeah, check that out.
Just show them the Sturgis sign.
So I'm going to rip on this 2024 CVO. It's a street glide, and I haven't ridden a street glide for a while. So I'm going to check it out today, see how it runs.
You know, the funny thing is Harley says, hey, let's give him a street glide to ride today, but it was Galen, not us. We got left out.
Well, we'll check it out and see how it goes.
Yep. So we are going to show you guys a couple things in this episode. Tomorrow we're going to go on the ride with Thrashin Supply and Harley. Yep. We're going to cruise around town. We're probably, wouldn't be surprised if we hit up the Boar's Nest again.
Yeah. No, we got to do it at least one more time.
Yeah,
we'll see.
Let's do it. People before, huh?
Yeah, we met them at Arizona Bike Week. Let's start with your names and go through it, and then we'll say see you down the road after.
Lucky, 23 road glide.
Dana.
Johnny, 2018 road glide.
Regine. Brittany.
Chijo, 2018 street glide.
Hey, I'm Josh. Nice to meet you.
I'm Galen. 3, 2, 1, see you down the road. Ready? 3, 2, 1, see you down the road.
Hey, Zach.
Hey.
How you doing? Where are we at? We just pulled in. We didn't even tell people where we're at. So we are at the
Black Hills Harley Davidson.
At the Legend Suspension.
Oh, yeah, Legend Suspension booth.
That's right.
For the 84th Sturgis Rally.
It's a little warm on the blacktop. The light was good.
A little hot.
We're gonna do a little meet and greet today.
104 today. I think is what the So
it's all good.
It's gonna be hot.
That's right.
Hot.
So a year ago today, we were in this tent, it was pouring rain, and this guy right here said, let's call my dad, he's dying of cancer. And he just came up to us and said, what?
Hey guys, wanted to just give you a little backstory. I was home last year this time, dying of cancer, sitting in my garage with the Grim Reaper sitting next to me. And these guys here, you too, gave me a phone call, lifted my spirits from here to here, got me back behind the bars, and feeling great. I've been watching videos.
What did you say to the Grim Reaper?
Get the fuck out of here. I ain't got time for this. Ain't nobody got time for that.
We love you, man.
Love you. Watching all your vids, living for you guys. This one will get pinned up in the garage.
Yo, what's going on, dude?
I don't know, but this guy came all this way to show his 2-lane life seat off to us. How you doing, man?
I love it, dude. I love it. Yes,
it's not
sir.
bad, huh?
Not bad at all. Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Chip.
Chip?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Chip.
That's awesome.
Appreciate you, Chip.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks for the
guys,
support,
sure.
man.
Of course.
Well, we got some guys from San Antonio, Texas, and look what they have.
Got him a patch from Georgia West PD.
All right.
Patches.
We're
What's your
collecting
name?
these suckers.
Devin Foster.
Devin Foster and
Lalo Rodriguez.
Lalo. 2-lane life.
Nice to meet you guys. It is toasty.
It's 100 degrees out there. We just made it back to the house, hanging out at Black Hills. That was cool, but hey, I think we're gonna go to Scott Jacobs and get some lunch.
Yeah.
Look, another hat.
I'm up to 14
I
hats.
think I'm at 17.
All right.
Yeah.
So first of all, shout out to Legend because I'm on a hat quest this trip and I'm on hat number 14. I believe Galen's on 17. We just told you that, didn't we? We did. We made it to Jacob's Brewhouse. I got the salmon, as always. It's always phenomenal. A little amber ale because we're walking. And my dudes got their patties.
We got the patty with some bacon. Usually we get the pork steak. We'll come back here and get that because that thing is so good. We ate it twice last year.
We've had a long day. This is like a snack before dinner. So, you know.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go hit up Iron Mountain Road. We're gonna go grab dinner, and we're gonna go hang out and go on some sweet rides.
tired a little bit?
I'm a little tired. I was actually took a 20-minute power nap before I came out. I needed to recharge.
Good man.
We're hitting the ride, man. We're going to go do the Iron Mountain Road, and I'm going to bring a passenger to the van with us.
Champ.
We hit the first tunnel, the Doane Robinson Tunnel on the 16A. We're getting ready to rip through this canyon again. I love it. It's one of my favorite rides, single track. It's a cool place.
I don't know if you said it already before, but I can't believe this time of night how cool it is to be here. So this is really a good, special time, man.
What's going on behind us, around us?
I mean, just look at the beauty around here. We're on top of the mountain up here, just unbelievable. Little clouds going on. I love it.
I mean, the sun's setting, it's dusk, it's beautiful, the weather's great, and I see a guy across the street just pulled out his camp chair.
Yeah.
He's got a cigar in his hand. I think he's going to have a smoke and watch the sunset.
We've been out here plenty of times.
Where are we?
Is this customer? 16A. Plenty of times, but never, I don't think we've ever ridden through here this late at dusk. And it's so different. There's no one out. Maybe you guys said that already, but can't beat it.
This is the right time of the night to do it.
Well, one thing, we're not going to allow you to do this ever again. You're not wearing the beanie.
Yeah.
So
You're
I
wearing
wore the little
regular
helmet.
So we can speak to you.
I know. I didn't realize it was going to be a full ride.
You're
I
not
figured
rocking it like you want to rock
I
it.
know. I figured we'd be just taking a little putt. I wouldn't have to talk to anyone.
You missed a lot of good conversations
I did.
too.
I did. But it's
So,
all right. We're having a
hey.
good time.
Yeah.
We're going to
So-
go find some dinner somewhere.
That's right.
Let's do it.
Cheers, boys. We made it to a late dinner at, what's this place called?
Sicky's Garage.
Sicky's Garage. Just ran into some fans over there, some good people.
And some fans outside
And
as
some
well.
fans outside.
So Massachusetts and Texas.
Right.
Pretty cool.
Shaking hands with America,
That's
baby.
right.
Cheers, brother.
How was it in the van today?
It was climate controlled and just cruising, man.
Well done. What are we working with over there, Junior?
So these jalapeno thingies that are fried are amazing.
What happened, dude?
Well, our friends have, just over there, a couple tables away, they said hi. They're gonna come ride with us tomorrow. But they thought they wanted to, help us get a little buzz going tonight. So they sent a round of shots.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, salute.
Hello.
Cheers. Oh, that is good. That's got pepper in it. I love that pepper.
Yeah, pepper.
Does it have pepper?
I don't know.
We got some burgers. We got some patties. We got some patties.
I'm pretending I have a nice ribeye right here with these two patties.
Lost my streak at 14 days. No steak for dinner.
You know, we're at a little barbecue inside a restaurant.
Ran into some more people. We got a vlogger vlogging a vlogger.
Look, it's wonderful. This
We
is
had-
what it's all about.
All right, we got her patched up. She is pumping up. We come prepared, right?
Yeah, you know, we do tire repairs, oil changes, anything on the road. You see us, we're ready to do it.
One,
I think I would do a burnout to like set it in. Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah, baby.
Boys, we got a little bit of a ride home, huh?
I think it's like 50 minutes, right? Is that what you were saying?
We're in Rapid City, so we have 51 miles. Just had a Sicky's meal at Sicky's.
Sicky's
I feel
Garage.
Sicky's. No, I don't feel
No, I
sick.
don't
It was
It was okay. It was all right.
And we met a bunch of cool people. We had a great ride this afternoon, this evening. I don't know. We got a little hole in the tire, so we tried to plug it once, but Juan's plug actually worked because Juan has a big plug.
Yeah.
It was really cool because I've never
My
been in
plug
a
was a
restaurant.
little bit better than your guys.
I've never been in a restaurant where we had that many people buying us stuff.
Pretty crazy.
That was cool.
with that plug?
Well, we didn't accept all of it.
Right. So, what are we doing tomorrow?
We're doing the ride with Thrashin, then we're doing the medicine wheel thing at Outlaw Square. So another busy day.
We'll see you in the morning.
Down the road.
Alex, good morning. How you doing?
I'm great. How are you guys?
Good.
Hey,
It's day 14 or
He followed
15.
us all the way from Milwaukee. Didn't we just see him?
Yeah, just to make sure you made it. Yeah, for sure.
So we just showed up to the Thrashing ride. There's a couple more people than we expected.
Yeah,
a little bit.
You know, if you want to pan that camera
Yeah,
around,
let me turn this sucker around.
I'm stoked, man. I really appreciate all the support. I didn't know what to expect, but I'm stoked. There's a lot of people here, and it's going to be rad to go on the ride to Deadwood and have some food.
How are we going to do this? Is there an escort?
There will be somebody from Harley leading the pack. They have a safety vest. We're going to be following them, and we're pulling up to Deadwood. Outlaw
Okay,
Square.
first, what's the risk factor?
Risk factor. All right, so it's a little misty. The road is wet. That's increasing the risk factor slightly. We're going to keep it mellow and try to keep it below a 10%
All right.
risk factor.
Okay.
What do you say usually when you're ending the video?
I usually say something like, see you later.
So the official count is 241 bikes that we led from the community center on Lozelle Street here to Outlaw Square.
Wild. He kept saying in the helmet, hey, look in the rearview mirror when the bikes are going through. And then we made one corner that was a really long one, and it was bikes as far as the eye could see.
Amazing, 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 man.
Gotta love it. So we're just gonna hang out here for a bit,
And have fun and shake hands and meet people and have some tacos.
We actually may spend a little bit longer here today because the Medicine Wheel ride is coming through as well. So
Okay.
we may support them a little today as well.
Right on.
That sounds fun.
Hanging out, enjoying. So thank you guys so much, and we love you all. Let's go get this selfie real quick.
Hey everybody, we're waiting for the Medicine Wheel ride here at Outlaw Square. Jason walked up, and what do you have for us?
I've got a unit patch from our unit. We're the North Dakota Air National Guard, and our motto is Happy Hooligans. So happy to give this to you guys, and we'll watch you all the time. It's great.
Well, we'll proudly put that up on the wall.
Thank you very much. Thanks. Appreciate it.
What's going on here?
Well, they just announced a set of Michelin tires to the first person that walks up to us. And my man here, tell him your name and where you're from.
My name is Gray Oliver from the Rosebud Reservation. Come up for the ride, have a good time, and sport some tires.
What do you think, bud?
What do you ride?
Road King.
Perfect.
They got your tires for you.
Yeah.
You'll put the Commander 3s on, the Torch series.
They're great. They're on these bikes if you want to see them.
All right, yeah.
Well, guess what? We found another really cool set of fans. And Lance, what do they have for us?
You know what we like. Look what he brought us. Montrose Police, Colorado.
Nice.
So Cameron and Lindsay, where are you out of?
Montrose,
Montrose, right?
Who would have
How
guessed?
long did it take to get here?
It's about 700 miles or so.
Not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. We broke it up in 2 days, so.
Well, we appreciate you guys for sure. We love that you watch our channel.
You know, of course, keep on doing what you're doing. We love it.
Thank you. Thanks for coming up.
Right
Appreciate
on.
it.
Hey, see you down the road.
What are we getting up to now?
Who knows?
I don't know. A lot.
You guys will find out.
Yeah.
Yet again, another great meal at Jacob's Brew House. LC, what are you rocking with?
This is a ribeye, and I'm going to get in here and have a nice ribeye.
All right, G-Man.
So you were busy today doing a lot of field work for us. You know, surveys and the such. We were here earlier. We had a pork steak, which is bomb. They smoke everything, so it's great. I'm doing the ribeye as well. We're digging in. Gonna enjoy this.
All right.
We need a full report on the surveying you did.
I will. What number of free beer is that today?
I can't, allegedly, like,
We've been walking.
ask Lance.
What's the question, sir?
We've gotten some free beers today, and I'm wondering what number that is, because people apparently like buying us stuff.
Maybe a 6-pack, 12-pack. I'm not 100% sure, but
Okay.
I drank most of them.